Imagine an army of 100,000 Pashtun warriors. Now imagine they've sworn an oath to never use violence. This was the reality created by Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, the Frontier Gandhi. His followers, the Khudai Khidmatgar, or Red Shirts, resisted British rule with disciplined nonviolence. In 1930, at the Qissa Khwani massacre, they stood firm, baring their chests to British bullets, refusing to retaliate. But his greatest challenge came with the partition of India, which he fiercely opposed. Feeling abandoned by his allies, he told Mahatma Gandhi, "You have thrown us to the wolves." For this stance, the new state of Pakistan imprisoned him for decades. In a final, powerful statement, he chose to be buried not in Pakistan, but across the border in Jalalabad, Afghanistan, a symbol that his people were one, undivided by political lines. Today, his legacy of peace remains a defiant answer to extremism in the region.